grateful to this association for this presentation. It is going to enhance our work. In fact, I am in charge of the inspectorate. We are more than 20 people working there. As I speak with you, my examination coordinator, and also on the computer, or you see another borrowed laptop. May I use this opportunity to appeal to anybody, benevolent society organization, those within and those outside. If you can help the inspectorate unit, we will be very, very, very grateful. I want to assure you that we are going to have a very healthy working relationship between the directorate and this group. Anytime there are issues concerning teachers and what have you, or education, let us come together to see how best we can solve the problem. Yes. May God bless you. Amen. Long live Kurofa, nkoso. Amen. May the Almighty Father bless all of you. I better stop here or else if I don't, I will come. Thank you very much.